about the future, they don't care about the time. Just living in the moment with a quiet, patient grace, finding a kind of purpose in this little tiny place. And as the evening breeze starts to whisper through the trees, I feel my worries leaving, yeah, carried on the breeze. 'Cause the earth holds all the secrets that a human needs to know.